Hello guys, I'm Marilla. Today I would like to introduce a half-hole PCB with black solder mask to you. The half-hole PCB board is an advanced circuit board design. By using the half-hole plating structure on the PCB, it could improve signal transmission performance and anti-interference capability. The PCB half-hole technology can efficiently reduce crosstalk and signal noise during the signal transmission, enhancing the stability and reliability of the circuit board. Additionally, it provides better thermal conductivity, aiding in temperature reduction of the PCB. This technology is widely application in high-speed electronics devices such as communication equipment, computers, and consumer electronics. If you want to know more information about the PCB with half-gold PCB, please feel free to contact us. Bye-bye.